guys, how's it going? Yeah, I'm wanting to play around a little bit more here with kind of the yield rates on a maxed out house. After Rook and Sonari's fabulous presentation there, I wanted to had a couple more questions I wanted answered. So the question really is what happens if we throw in a third laborer? I'm gonna probably have to do this in a few different videos because I need the upgrade time. But basically, what I've done is I just barely put this guy in here, a new uh, mercenary. He still needs some time to settle in. Um, I had to drop one of the trophies to put a bed in here to keep everybody as happy as possible. We'll see how happy they are. Um, they're already starting to drop, at least on the tier 6 yield. Um, so the one thing I want to look at is does it affect the 5, 4, 3, and 2s as well? And it obviously affects my tier 6, but I want to know how much it affects it, because I'm kind of curious to know if having 2 laborers at maximum yield is really as efficient as having 3 laborers at a lesser yield. And I guess the real answer to that is, as long as you can fill 3 books at a time and constantly feed them 3 books, even if they're getting, say, you know, let's say these 2 guys are getting 150 materials back, so you're getting 300. Well, let's say it drops to 125 for all 3. You know, you're technically getting back more. You're also filling those books, but so the big question is, can you actually fill enough books to cram into 3 guys? So I want to. I'm not sure how I'm going to test that part of it exactly. I probably should have tested just 2 before I started throwing this 3rd guy in here. But you know, it kind of makes me wonder, especially for the crafting one, because Sonari mentioned that she can fill some of those crafting books really fast and get a bunch of books. So it made me go, I wonder if you just had a bunch of these guys, even though your yield was lower. And maybe the idea would be just to do 2 houses with just 2 laborers in each house of the same type, if that's the material you wanted. So you're getting 4 laborers now with max yield instead of just 3 with a lesser yield. I don't know. I guess it's up to how, depends on how you want to play it. But anyway, I wanted to see how that 3rd guy would affect the yield rates. So like I said, this is going to be kind of probably a multi-part video, because I'm not going to sit here for 3 hours, 4 hours basically, talking to myself. So I will come back and check this out. Hopefully the mic is coming in a little clearer this time. I did a little smudging with my settings. I don't know if I got it or not, but we shall see. All right. See you in the morning.